The Southport Gazebo was sold at Big Lots and Home Depot. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number L-GZ399PAL-B. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 10 by 12 rectangular and is 2-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are square frame posts, decorative frame molding with geometric designs, finial ball ornament at top of gazebo. The replacement canopy attaches by hooks inserted around the top perimeter of frame. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Southport gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.